Hey guys, welcome back to the React Native course. In this video, we are going to talk about platform component in React Native. What is platform component? So basically, what is platform component? Let's understand that. Whenever we build up an application with the React Native, so we can build that application for Android and iOS using the single code base. But some situation, what we have to do, we have to write platform specific code. Let's suppose if you're using a Uber, Ola app, and if you are using iOS device, they will charge more money, and if you're using Android, so they will charge low money. So how does they know like which platform they are using the customer is using the app? So that's how the platform module, uh, we are able to find out like which platform is it, the user device. Okay, so we'll see that how to check platform. We'll apply some condition with the platforms and other important option we will discuss. So let's go on the code quickly, and let me remove the whole code which we have talk about the last session about the status bar. Now I'm going to create one component quickly, rnfes. Okay, now we are talking about the platform component, right? So if I show you here, let me import the platform. Okay, platform.os. If I type the platform.os, and you can see that we are getting Android, right? So let's suppose there will be some scenario. Let's suppose you are using some module or some packages, so you have to write platform specific code. So we have to check that, like if the device is Android, so you have to execute this block of code, and if the device is Android, then you have to execute this block of code. And that's how with the platform.os code we are able to achieve that all. Okay, so whenever we type platform.os, it will return the operating system name, whatever the system operating system. Okay, now let's understand, like if let's suppose we want to perform some certain action or show something on the platform basis. So how we can do that? So we have to do like this, platform.os. Okay, and we can tell that if the value is Android, then you have to say that inside the view, let me do something view, and we have to render text. You are your system is Android. Okay, else if it's not, then we gonna tell basically your system is iOS. Okay, now you can see that platform.os is Android, and that's how we are getting, like your system is Android, and otherwise it will your system is iOS. So currently our system is Android, and that's why we are able to Android. Okay, now another thing is that let's suppose we have some function const perform some task. Okay, so the function name is perform some task, and let me make an arrow function quickly. So sometime what does happen whenever we write code, we have to let me do perform some task. So what we have to write, we have to write a conditional code on the system base. So how we write, we do like this: if platform.os is equal to Android, then you have to perform this block of code, else you have to perform this code. So we can write like the code like this. Okay, same for the styling. You can write the styling. If the platform.os is this, then apply this styling, otherwise apply that styling. Okay, I think that's all about the platform in React Native. Apart from that, nothing else. So basically, whenever we have to write platform specific code, so we use platform module from the React Native. I think that's all in this video. Thank you, bye.